In this video, we are going to see how to migrate from legacy BI like QlikView, Qlik Sense, and Tableau to Power BI using Port BI. For any of these migrations, start by selecting your destination BI as Power BI. Here we can choose any of the following BI types as source BI. Let us start with converting this QlikView dashboard into Power BI report. Just give a name for the migration project, select QlikView as the source BI, and upload the Qlik file for migration. By proceeding, Port BI converts the uploaded QlikView dashboard into Power BI report in less than a minute. Here we will get a migration estimation score, based on which we can do silent migration or review and customize the migration. We will go with the silent migration option for now. By proceeding to publish, we can download the converted PBIP file. Let us now open the migrated Power BI file and contrast it with the original QlikView file. Experience the pixel-perfect accuracy in each and every single visual migrated to Power BI. Here's the side-by-side comparison of the original QlikView file on the left and the migrated Power BI file on the right, each visual perfectly replicated with ease. Even for Tableau to Power BI migration, we can just simply upload the Tableau file and let Port BI automate the entire migration to Power BI in the same way as done earlier. Here's a sample Tableau dashboard migrated to Power BI using Port BI, each visual perfectly replicated with ease. With Port BI, we can also migrate Qlik Sense dashboards containing both default and custom Vislib visuals with ease. Once inside Port BI, just select Qlik Sense as your source BI while destination being Power BI, and give the required configuration details to connect with Qlik. Save and log into Qlik. Search and select the Qlik app to be migrated to Power BI. Once the migration is complete, we can download the migrated Power BI file. Here's the side-by-side comparison of the original Qlik Sense file and the migrated Power BI file, each visual perfectly replicated with ease.